In this video, we will show you how to import files into Slicer and load the configuration bundle. Go into your ThoughtSpace folder and find the Slicer folder and open it up. Once you open it up, Slicer will open into the simple mode. You will need to go up to the File menu and go to Preferences and change into Expert mode. This will require us to restart Slicer in order to change it to its new settings. Go back into your ThoughtSpace folder and now reopen Slicer. You'll see that some of the menu settings have changed and things look a little different. The next thing we need to do is tell the Slicer program what printer we're using by loading up a configuration bundle. Go to Load Config Bundle and you'll find the Slicer configuration bundle in your ThoughtSpace folder. When you open it, it should say that 30 presets have been successfully loaded. If you see that menu, you did a good job. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to check some of our print settings, specifically infill. It defaults to 65%. For most of our parts, anywhere between 10 to 20% works. We also want to change the number of loops it puts down before it starts printing the part. The more loops you put here, the more time you'll have to properly set your z-axis, which is something we'll discuss later. Basically, setting your z-axis, the more time you give yourself, the easier it is for a beginner to have a successful first print.